All right, here we go. We're going to play David's new favorite game. So, here we go. Oh, caps lock is on. Excuse me, I'm trying to type here.
The dog is better than the cat.
All right. 1 second, we gotta set a background here.
I want.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. All right, David, your turn. What do you think? What are you doing? Learning all their favorite things? Okay, never mind. What do you think?
Okay. The cat is. Now that must be changed. Work.
Uh-oh. What else?
Okay, I'm gonna make it so I don't have to change the cats.
What does it say now?
The cat too much. The cat too much. The cat too much. The
Does
cat
that make
too
sense?
much. The cat too much. Cat subway. Can you do the cat subway?
The cat subway? What does that mean?
It's,
Yeah, this is your thing. You gotta
it's
type
a
something. I said what
subway.
I thought already.
I
I told you
need
the
help.
cat farts too much. That's the truth. I mean, if you want to change it, you're gonna have to do it on your own. I don't know.
I need help spelling subway.
But subway doesn't make sense. Do a word you know. Here you go. And you can sound out subway if you want to. Subway, you got it. I'm not sure what a cat subway is, but
No. It's the thing that you. A cat train. The cat train.
the cat train too much. The cat licks too much. The cat barks too much. The dog farts too much. I don't know.
Mom, can you help me?
What do you want to put?
I want to put sleeps too much.
Ooh, you can sound that out. Go ahead.
Where's that E? Where's that E?
You can see it. It's there. How are you gonna make it say its name? Wait, make the E say its name first.
Another E? Put backspace.
The cat sleep too much? Aha.
The dog.
Dog is butter. That's not a word.
How do you spell butter?
What says
Oh, replace that E with a U.
Yeah. Most of the vowels are on the top. There you go.
Butter. The dog is butter.
That's pretty goofy.
Butter. The cat needs to. The cat needs to take.
What's it gonna do with the bat?
How do you spell baseball bat? B. A.
Mm-hmm.
S.
Good. And don't forget something to make that A say its name.
E.
Mm-hmm. And then add the word ball.
What?
Yeah, best game to get gems of Animal Jam is the armadillo.
What in the world is the armadillo?
This one.
I had to pause it. Go ahead.
Okay, so. B. Oh.
You spell all.
With an O?
It should be with an O, but it's not.
Oh, a U?
Can you picture the word ball? Well,
Oh, LL?
yeah, but what's the vowel? That was funny. What's the vowel before the LL in the word ball?
E?
What? No. The A a lot of times says aw, even though it's supposed to be the O sound. There you go. You got it.
Ball.
Now read over it and make sure you got it right.
The cat needs to take a baseball bat.
That's a funny sentence.
And how do you spell from?
Ooh, take a baseball bat from. You can sound that up. Or that's a sight word, I think you know. Fra. Awesome. All right, there's a red line. What do you want to do about it?
Isn't that an A?
You can try it with an A. You know what you can do? You can left click and then, oh, there it is. Boop.
Left click?
So there's two buttons on there. And then a Chromebook you can hold down. I think it's control while you click and it'll show you the options. The cat needs to take a baseball bat from... Pretty soon.
Then what? Mom, how do you do it again?
What are you trying to do? From T?
Mom, how do you do it?
Oh, try to get the new word. Well, it's not underlined with red right now, so it's not going to do anything. What are you trying to type?
Oh.
What are you trying to type?
What?
Oh no. Remember, click really gently, because clicking harder doesn't make any better. You're trying to write the?
I was.
It's faster just to type it if you know how to spell it. Keep going. In all caps. Wow.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is
Exclamation point? You found it. Oh
it?
no. Uh-oh. Okay.
I need to make that a little bit bigger so we can actually see it.
So to make it bigger, you gotta grab the other corner. The top left corner is mostly for rotating. Nice work.
Dog.
It's funny.
I know it. How do you spell kill? What? What? The dog can kill people.
Oh, don't say that. I don't like that. That's not school appropriate.
Fine then. The dog can pee on people.
Right now, what does it still say?
The dog can help.
You know what that says? It says sill, because I, E, and a Y all make the C say S. They make the C soft. Other side, honey. I don't think it's going to know what you're trying to do, though. Oh, you weren't quite on top of the word. Okay, you weren't on top of the word. So, try the other K. Right?
Okay.
The K is the one that goes with I and E. If you're trying to say K.
Okay.
Oh, I like that. The cat can, or excuse me, the dog can make cookies. Catch balls. Play fetch. The dog can bark. The dog can fart. Dog can poop all over your yard.
Dog can.
You're not clicking on the word, so it's not working, honey. You have to click right on top of the word. And you don't even have an L. It's not going to give you any answers. Okay? All you have is K. It's not going to know what you're trying to write. All right, and when you have like a short vowel with an L after it, and it's at the end of a word, you got to double it. Okay, that happens with D's and L's and a couple other letters. Now it's a word. The dog can kill bunnies.
No.
We don't want it to sound evil. Okay, there we go. Anything else you want to change before we're done? I think it's good now. You don't have to change.
The cat can bite those off. The cat can bite people's toes off. Mom made that up.
Fires you.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. All right, well, it's good now, right? Everything's fixed.
Cancel.
Cancel doesn't delete it. It just cancels changing anything.
No! 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 Oh. You were lying to me.
How can you fix it? I don't know.
How can you delete one?
Oh, I don't think you can. You just have to fix it.
Ah, dang it.
Oh my goodness, what just happened? You've never done that before.
David, I finally did it.